Here's how we play. The dogs will skate around the outside. When the music stops, everybody shouts run. And the last dog on the hockey puck is out. Cheer them along. Here we go. Run! The Canadian dog is down. And once again, the Maple Leafs are out of it. Goodbye, popcorn. That's Zamboni cleaning the ice. Run, hurry! Luango's guarding the goal. Oh. No, the Canadians are down. No, the Flames are down. That's an illegal procedure. Les Canadiens de Montréal, ils ont perdu. Il faut que tu partes. You must go. Goodbye. There's the other Zamboni operator. Here we go. 4 dogs fought 3 hockey pucks. What is the Boston Bruin dog doing there? Move. Off. No, don't beg for forgiveness. Start the music again. Here we go. All right, I want to hear some clapping. Your dog is offside. I gave you a warning. 2-minute penalty to Luango for offside. Well, you had a warning. We warned you. Aha. Cheer them on. Here we go. In the penalty box. Run, hurry, get your dog down. Eddie's gotta go. Bye, Flames. Here we go. We have the Boston Bruins with Best, the Oilers with Turbo, and Luango with the Canucks.
It's about as bad as it could be.
Run, hurry! Hurry! Oh, the Oiler dog has to go. Turbo. Fancy skating. Very fancy skater. And he's embarrassed that he lost. Goodbye, Turbo. All right, Zamboni's got it. We have 1 hockey puck left. Who's cheering for the Boston Bruins dog? Best. Who's cheering for the Canucks dog? Luango.